Hello everyone. Today, we will learn how to register an account on Bybit, one of the major cryptocurrency exchanges, and how to trade futures. I will explain the entire process step by step so that even complete beginners can easily follow along. Before we start, please make sure to access the platform through the registration link provided right below this video. Signing up through that specific link allows you to receive a 20% reduction in trading fees along with extra promotional bonuses. Therefore, I highly recommend using the link included in the description. First, I will explain the Bybit account registration process. Click the link below this video to open Bybit's official sign-up page. You can sign up using either your email address or your phone number. Next, set up a strong and secure password. The password should include at least 8 characters with 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. If there is a referral code field, type in SKY333. Entering this referral code enables the 20% trading fee discount and additional bonus rewards. After filling in all the necessary details, click the Get My Welcome Gifts button. Next, drag the puzzle slider toward the right side and enter the authentication code sent to your email or cell phone. Once this step is completed, your Bybit account will be successfully created and ready to use. Now, let's move on to the KYC identity verification process. Completing KYC verification is required for deposits, withdrawals, and trading on Bybit. Because this stage requires facial recognition, we will continue the process using a mobile device. Install the Bybit application on your smartphone. Now open the application. Log in using the account information you registered earlier. On the home screen, tap Verify Now to begin. First, choose your country of residence. Then tick the box at the bottom to accept the terms and conditions. Press the Confirm button to continue. You can now begin verifying your identification document. Many users choose a passport since it usually results in faster approval. For demonstration, I will choose a passport. Position the passport information page clearly inside the rectangular frame displayed on the camera screen. Capture a clear and high-quality image when prompted by the application. The next step is facial recognition verification. Simply follow the instructions displayed on your phone screen. In most situations, KYC approval is completed within approximately 1 hour. Once approved, your account status will change to verified. Next, we will strengthen account security by activating two-factor authentication. Return to the Bybit website on your desktop computer. From the menu on the left side, click Account. Then select Security. Locate Google Two-Factor Authentication and click on Settings. First, complete the basic verification using your email or phone number. After that, a setup window will appear. Now take out your phone and install the Google Authenticator application. Once the installation is finished, open the application. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner, then select Scan a QR code. Use your phone camera to scan the QR code displayed on the Bybit website. The application will immediately generate a rotating 6-digit verification code. Enter that 6-digit code into the Google code field on the website. Finally, click Confirm to complete the setup. Your Google Two-Factor Authentication is now successfully activated and protecting your account. Second, I will explain how to deposit funds into your Bybit account. Begin by returning to the main dashboard. Tap the Assets icon positioned in the upper right corner. You will notice multiple wallet categories displayed on the screen. The funding wallet is designated for deposits and withdrawals. The Unified Trading Wallet is utilized for placing trades. To start the deposit procedure, select the funding account first. Locate the deposit option in the top right area and tap it. From the list of options, choose Deposit Crypto. Your first step is to select which cryptocurrency you plan to transfer. Many users typically select USDT. Next, choose the appropriate blockchain network. In most situations, the Tron network is used. This network is widely used because it provides fast confirmations and low fees. After confirming the network, your personal deposit address will be displayed. Tap the copy icon to copy the address safely. Next, open the exchange or crypto wallet where your funds are currently held. Go to the withdrawal section to begin sending the funds. Select USDT as the coin you want to withdraw. For the network option, make sure to select TRX. It is crucial that this network matches the one selected on Bybit. Paste the copied Bybit deposit address into the recipient address field. Carefully verify that both the address and the network are correct. Enter the total amount you wish to transfer and confirm the withdrawal. Once the blockchain confirms the transaction, the funds will arrive in your funding account. When the updated balance appears, the deposit process has been successfully completed. Third, I will explain the step-by-step process of trading futures on Bybit. Before initiating any position, you must first move your USDT balance. Start by accessing the funding account section. Next, tap on the transfer option. Make sure the transfer direction is properly set to the unified trading account. Select USDT as the asset you intend to transfer. Enter the exact amount of funds you want to move. After the transfer is finalized, the funds will appear in your unified trading account. Once the funds have been successfully transferred, you are ready to start futures trading. Navigate to the top menu and select Trade. Among the available choices, click on Futures. This will open the Professional Futures Trading interface. Find the three-line menu icon in the upper left corner and tap it. From the list, select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade. On the right side, you will see the Trading Settings panel. Tap this area if you wish to adjust your margin mode. When using isolated mode, the potential loss is restricted to the margin allocated to that specific trade. On the other hand, cross mode uses your full account balance to prevent liquidation. For beginners, isolated margin is generally regarded as the safer choice. Next to the margin setting, you will see the leverage adjustment option. Bybit supports leverage of up to 100x. Although higher leverage may amplify profits, it also greatly increases risk. Beginners are recommended to begin with relatively low leverage. In this section, you can also choose the type of order you want to place. Enter your price and quantity to place the order. You can check your available margin displayed just below. Next, select the position direction you anticipate. Press long if you expect the price to rise. Select short if you expect the price to fall. Then move to the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. This area provides a live overview of all currently open positions. Entry price refers to the price at which your position was opened. Mark price shows the current reference market price. Lit price indicates the liquidation level of your position. If the market touches this level, the position will be automatically liquidated. To manage risk more effectively, use the TPSL feature. This function allows you to preset both take profit and stop loss targets. When you are ready to exit the trade, click the Close button. Choose between a limit order for a specific price or a market order for immediate execution. Specify the price and volume you want to settle, then confirm. Once confirmed, your futures position will be successfully closed. Today, we went through the full process of creating a Bybit account and engaging in futures trading. Each step was structured in a clear and simple order so that even beginners could follow along without difficulty. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video and subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next